Lab experiment UJT relaxation oscillator. Here the voltage can be up to 10 volts or even 15 volts also, but I have written here 9 volts because in case you don't have power supply you can use battery also. But anyhow, let us not go beyond 10 volts. So preferably you can have 6 volt to 10 volts here. And here you have to use CRO probe, red here, black here. Red here, black here. At a time only one output can be given to CRO. You can give two signals or two outputs also, one input and one output, however it is, but our CROs are not so much good, hence we will give one signal at a time. And then you know the terminal identification. Next, here maximum delay in the table in examination you can write here time delay in milliseconds or microseconds or seconds. Okay, but you can write here milliseconds or microseconds because you will not get second. If you have electrolytic capacitor you will get in seconds, slow rising and slow and comparatively slower discharging. And here pot resistance you may get kilo ohms and ohms or both as kilo ohms. So better write here as millisecond or microsecond when you write in examination, correct in your record also. Then maximum delay, minimum delay. Okay, these are same. Okay. Next, table 2, you have peak voltage and valley voltage. So peak point voltage means this one, maximum rise. Valley point means where it descends. This is the reference. Reference, valley point and then peak point. If supply voltage is around 9 volt, you will have peak point around 6 volt and valley point around 1 volt. This waveform you will get here across capacitor, and across the discharge resistance you will get this. Why charging is slow, discharging is fast, sudden dropping, slow rising? Because charging is through this path. Capacitor charges through 2.2K and this part. So charging resistance is higher. Discharging is fast because discharging is 47 ohm, or you can use even up to 100 ohms. So this is discharging resistance is less. When the capacitor voltage reaches a triggering voltage of UJT, capacitor will discharge through UJT because UJT will conduct. So charging, discharging, charging up to valley point, charging up to peak point, discharging up to valley point. Once it reaches to valley point, the UJT will regain its resistance this will become off. So capacitor will again charge up to peak point, then again discharge. So in this way UJT relaxation oscillator works. So typical value when you take readings, it is very simple, already explained. I think this you know. Time. So time of say first is 0, then say this is 4 millisecond. This you may not get some time. You should write just as 4.1. That is what is given here. Say 0, 4, 4.1. Next, when you vary the pot, you can get maximum and minimum delay. Note that the maximum and minimum delay, okay, within that the typical delay or typical period should lie. The value what you get time here, this value, these two values, okay, this and this are almost same, 4, 4.1, 9, 9.2, 9.1, like that. This value of millisecond or microsecond, whatever it is, should be within this range, maximum and minimum value. So as soon as you connect, slowly vary the pot, you will get waveform. If you don't get waveform, what you have to do is check the connections once again, check whether you have kept CRO properly, then replace UJT, okay, or replace capacitor. Also check pot for loose connections. Here all the resistances can be half watt, small size. But in case you don't get small size, use larger size. Here don't use electrolytic capacitor. You can use, you will get in seconds. You can use, but it will be slow. Okay. At the end of the semester we have seen, some of the students have seen this with cylinder capacitor. Because the capacitor value is higher there, say 47 microfarad or 100 microfarad, so it will charge very slowly. So you will not get millisecond or microsecond delay, it will be in seconds. That is why I have written milliseconds or seconds. But anyhow, you are going to use the different capacitor, so write millisecond or microsecond. So you don't use electrolytic capacitor here, you use the green or maroon or orange color capacitor. Thank you.